Good morning everyone. Today roll number 4 Rose Jan and roll number 5 Sia Agarwal of class 10th A are going to present their flip teaching through this PowerPoint presentation. Our topic is electric charges and its property. So here the first question arises, what is an electric charge? An electric charge is a physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. Now, how many types of charges are there? So, there are two types of charges, positive and negative, commonly carried by protons and electrons respectively. Now, as you can see in the figure, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So, here we will discuss the basic properties of electric charges. First, charges are additive in nature. Second, charges conserved quantity. Third, quantization of charge.
Now, we will start with the next part of our PowerPoint presentation and flip teaching with electrical conductors and insulators. So, now the question arises, what are conductors? Conductors are made of materials that electricity can flow through easily. These materials are made up of atoms whose electrons can move away freely. And some examples of conductors are copper, aluminium, platinum, gold, silver, water, people and animals, and trees. Now, we will get to know with some applications of conductors. Materials such as silver is the best conductor of electricity, but it is costly and so we don't use silver in industries and transmission of electricity. Second, copper, brass, steel, gold and aluminium are good conductors of electricity. We use them in electric circuits and systems in the form of wires. Third, mercury is an excellent liquid conductor. Thus, this material finds use in many instruments. Now, let us know what are insulators. Insulators are materials that the free flow of electrons from one particle of the element to another. If we transfer some amount of charge to such an element at any point, the charge remains at the initial location. And some examples of it are as follows: plastic, wood, glass, fire, oil, rubber, air, and vacuum. Now, let us get to know some applications of insulators as well. Thermal insulators, this allow heat to move from one place to another. Hence, we use them in making thermoplastic bottles. They are also used in fireproofing ceilings and walls. Second, sound insulators help in controlling noise level as they are good in absorbing sounds. Thus, we use them in buildings and conference halls to make them noise-free. Electrical insulators hinder the flow of electron or passage of electric current through them. So we use them extensively in circuit boards and high voltage systems.